Hello everyone. Today we will see the Owens bridge. Owens bridge, it is also called a Ristone bridge. It is a oscillation current bridge. The current bridge, it is used for the measurement of self-inductance in terms of capacitor. These bridge have four arms AB, BC, CD and AD and corresponding impedances Z1, Z2, Z3, Z4. The impedances is a resistance, inductance, capacitor. The Z1 impedances here is R1 only, Z2 is inductance only, Z3 is capacitor and resistance, and Z4 is a capacitor only. The four arms AB, BC, CD and DA. It has BD consists of headphone. It is a detector. Detector will be either tunable circuit, either vibration manometer, either headphone. Here we connected a headphone. Headphone, when in terms of BD, we used a detector. Detector is used to obtain the balance condition. Here we used a headphone as a detector. Headphone, when no sound of headphone means null deflection will get, and which will the balance condition. In this circuit diagram, the value of resistor R1 and R3 are adjusted in such a way that the point B and D are the equipotential. This means the balancing condition of the bridge. At a balancing condition, let Z1, Z2, Z3 and Z4 be the impedance of branches AB, BC, AD and DC respectively. Then we have Z1 divided by Z3 is equal to Z2 divided by Z4. From figure Z1 is equal to R1. Z1 is equal to R1. Z2 is equal to, this is L. L means R2 plus J omega L. R2 plus J omega L. Z3, sorry, this is Z3. 1 by J omega C1. Z1, Z2, Z3, Z4. Z3, this is C1, so this value become 1 by J omega C1. This is Z4 is equal to C2 and R3, means R3 plus 1 by J omega C2. This equation is written as 1. Putting this value in equation 1, we will get Z1 value is R1. Z3 value is 1 by J omega C1, which is equal to Z2 value is R2 plus J omega L. Z4 value is R3 plus J omega C2. Multiplying and this is equating. This will get R1 into Equating this, we will get final is j omega c1 r1 is equal to r2 plus j omega l. Simplify this. This will get j omega c1 r1 r3 plus, sorry, this is 1 by r3 plus 1 by j omega c2. This is also simplified form, j omega c1 r1 multiplying this r3 plus 1 by j omega c2 is equal to r2 plus j omega l. This is simplified, we will get j omega c1 r1 into r3 plus 1 by j omega c2 is equal to r2 plus j omega l. This is also simplified, j omega c1 r1 multiply this bracket r1 r3 plus this will cancel, j omega will be cancelled, will we get c1 r1 by c2 which is equal to r2 plus j omega l. Equating real and imaginary parts, we will get, this is a j c1 r1 c2 is equal to r2. So r1 divided by r2 is equal to c1 divided by c2. This is known as required balance condition. This is known as required balance condition. Equating imaginary parts, we get this equating imaginary part. This is a imaginary part. This is a real part. Equating the imaginary part, we will get c1 r1 r3. J is imaginary. J means imaginary number. c1 omega cancel. c1 r1 r3 is equal to l. So l is equal to c1 r1 r3. Above equation gives the inductance of the inductor. This is the balancing condition. This is the equation of inductance of inductor. So we find out the balance condition, which is the c1 by c2 is equal to r1 by r2. This is a complete. So thank you.